Hi, my name is Jackson, and you can call me Lee Jing Hong, and I'm 22 years old this year, and currently I'm still flying with Jetstar Asia. After my diploma, I joined Jetstar Asia. The most thing I love to be a cabin crew is I can fly all around the world and see different places, and I enjoy customer service a lot also. Before I joined InterXL, my English is terrible. InterXL, they prepare me for my future interviews and my English. Yes. Yes, definitely I would recommend InterXL to others because InterXL is a place to help you build your dream and prepare you for your futures and your interviews. Yes. And advice, just be patient and don't afraid to keep on trying if you fail in an interview. And if you feel like you're not confident enough, you can join InterXL, and InterXL will help you to chase your dream. Thank you. Bye.